Hi, this is Chantel from WTI. There is nothing I love more than a hot cup of coffee in the morning, and I love our Ninja coffee maker. My husband is really good about doing research and reading reviews before making a big purchase, so that is why we went with the Ninja coffee maker. I love that the coffee scoop shows the recommended amount of scoops for each brew size, which is nice when you have mom brain and can't ever remember anything. And the spoon just clicks into place on the side of the coffee maker. It also has a built-in fold-away milk frother that turns hot or cold creamer into a silky smooth froth. And it's removable for easy cleaning. The water reservoir holds up to 40 ounces and is removable, so you can fill it with a jug of water or you're able to carry it to the sink to fill. All the parts and pieces are dishwasher safe, so anything that makes my life easier is wonderful. It's nice being able to set the coffee up the night before with the delay brew button and select which brew size to make. And it keeps the coffee warm for up to 4 hours. And if you want it warmed even longer, there's a stay warm button you can click. It has 8 brew sizes, so you can brew a single cup or up to a full carafe, which is 10 cups. And it has 4 different brew styles. I love being able to save money by making an ice cold brew at home. It's such a great afternoon pick-me-up. So if you love coffee as much as I do, I highly recommend this Ninja coffee maker. And that's my point of view.